how you can fix Voxi SIM card activation not working. So first of all, you need to restart your device. A simple restart can sometimes fix activation issues, so make sure to give it a go. Next step is check network coverage. Ensure that the Vodafone network which Voxi uses has coverage in your area. You can simply search for Voxi SIM coverage area and go for their official website and see if your area is covered or not. Next step is unlock your phone. If your phone is locked to a previous carrier, you need to unlock it. To check whether it's unlocked or not, you just need to go for your settings, then scroll all the way until you see about device, and here you can see network unlock on the bottom of your screen. Next thing is you need to make sure to activate the SIM card by following the activation instructions provided by Voxi, because you can only activate it by going on their Voxi website. You can simply search for it and go for their official website. This is where you need to enter your SIM number, choose the plan, follow the on-screen instructions. At the end, you can contact Voxi customer service. If none of these steps work, you can reach out Voxi customer support for further assistance. So this was a way of how you can fix Voxi SIM card activation not working.